In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and tap on Home button to turn this window into a bubble. Now select a second app, launch it, then click on the bubble, and finally to enter split screen view, hold this blue line at the top of your window and drag it all the way up, like that. You can also drag it all the way down. When you see this gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can access background apps again and swipe both of your apps up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!